Did you know? Making money online can be as easy as finding a cat video on the internet. Whether you're looking to earn some extra dough or aiming to revolutionize your financial life, this video has got you covered. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our fantastic community. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of online money making. Before we dive into the treasure chest of online money making, let's get our financial sea legs with some personal finance basics. Think of managing your money like steering a ship. You need to know where you're going and how to get there. Personal finance is your compass, guiding you through budgeting, saving, and investing. Master these basics and you'll be the captain of your financial destiny. Budgeting. Imagine your money as a crew. You need to assign each dollar a job. Tools like Mint or YNAB are your first mates helping you keep track. Action steps. Download a budgeting app and start your adventure. List all your income sources. Every gold coin counts. Track your expenses for a month. Where's all that treasure going? Set spending categories like rent, groceries, and entertainment. Keep your crew in line. Adjust your budget to save at least 10% of your income. Stash some treasure away. Saving. Set aside a portion of your income each month. Build your treasure chest. Aim for an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Prepare for stormy seas. Action steps. Open a separate savings account. Keep your treasure safe. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to savings. Let the gold flow in. Start with a small percentage like 5% and gradually increase. Grow your hoard. Investing. Look into low-cost index funds or micro-investing apps like Acorns or Robinhood. Plant your money seeds. Action steps. Research basic investment concepts like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Become a money gardener. Download a micro-investing app like Acorns. Start small, even $5. Set up recurring investments. Watch your money garden grow. Knowing how to handle your money is the foundation of financial success. Be the captain of your financial ship. First up, freelancing. The modern-day gold rush, minus the pickaxes. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are like digital marketplaces where your skills are the shiny apples everyone wants to buy. Freelancing lets you be your own boss, offering services like writing, graphic design, and programming. Think of it as a buffet of opportunities. Take what you like. Freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr is like fishing in a sea of opportunities. But first, you need the right bait. Finding gigs. Create a profile that screams, "I'm awesome." Showcase your skills like a peacock flaunting its feathers. Action steps. Sign up on Upwork and Fiverr. Complete your profile with a professional photo and a bio that makes you sound like the superhero of your field. List your skills and past experience. Search for jobs that fit your skills and submit proposals. Building a portfolio. Start with small projects to build up your portfolio. Think of it as collecting badges in a video game. Ask satisfied clients for reviews. They're like your power-ups. Action steps. Offer to do a few projects at a lower rate to get started. Collect examples of your work and add them to your profile. Request reviews from your clients after completing projects. Setting rates. Research what others in your field are charging. Start competitive, then gradually increase as you gain experience. It's like leveling up in a game. More experience, better rewards. Action steps. Check profiles of top freelancers in your niche. Set an introductory rate to attract clients. Increase your rates as you get positive reviews and more experience. How freelancing can make you money. Freelancing turns your skills into cash. Complete projects, earn money, and as you get better, you can charge more. It's like turning your talents into a money-making machine. A quick tip: specialize in a niche. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or digital marketing, being a specialist can get you better gigs and higher pay. Think of it as being the go-to wizard in your magical realm. Next up, let's dive into the wild world of affiliate marketing. Buckle up. Imagine getting paid to talk about stuff you love. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to affiliate marketing. Here's the deal. You promote products or services, and every time someone buys through your special link, cha-ching, you earn a commission. Step 1. Choose your battleground. Focus on a niche that excites you and has a big audience. Think of it as finding your tribe. Tech gadgets, health products, and fashion are like the popular kids in school. Everyone loves them. Action steps. Grab a coffee, sit down, and brainstorm your interests and expertise. What makes you tick? Research niches with big audiences and juicy affiliate programs. You want the best bang for your buck. Pick a niche where you can drop some serious knowledge bombs. Joining affiliate programs? Time to join the club. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction. Action steps: head over to Amazon Associates and sign up. It's like joining an exclusive club but without the secret handshake. Apply to join other cool networks like Share a Sale. The more the merrier. Get the green light and start grabbing those affiliate links. Creating content. Now let's get creative. Use blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts to share your affiliate links. Be honest and helpful. Think of yourself as the friendly neighborhood product reviewer. Action steps. Start a blog or YouTube channel that's all about your niche. Make it your digital playground. Create content that's valuable and relevant. Keep your audience coming back for more. Slip those affiliate links in naturally. No one likes a pushy salesperson. How affiliate marketing can make you money. Here's the fun part. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's like magic. By creating awesome content, you attract visitors who might just click and buy. Hello, commissions! As your audience grows, so does your affiliate income. It's a beautiful thing. The secret sauce? Trust. Your audience needs to believe in you. Promote products you genuinely love. Your enthusiasm will be contagious. Ever dreamt of running your own business without leaving your pajamas? E-commerce might be your golden ticket. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store is now as easy as pie. E-commerce is all about selling products online directly to consumers. And if you're thinking, but I don't have a warehouse, no worries. That's where dropshipping comes in. You partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers so you can focus on the fun stuff, choosing products. The secret sauce? Find products that solve a problem or fulfill a need. Think of yourself as a modern-day Sherlock Holmes, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving consumer problems. Action steps. Use tools like Google Trends or Trend Hunter to spot what's hot and what's not. Sneak a peek at competitors' stores to see what's flying off the shelves. It's like window shopping, but for business ideas. Pick products you're passionate about or know a lot about. Trust me, selling something you love makes the whole process a lot more fun. Setting up your store. Use Shopify or another platform to create a store that looks so good, even your mom would be impressed. Focus on user experience and mobile optimization, because let's face it, everyone's shopping on their phones these days. Action steps. Sign up for a Shopify account. It's like getting the keys to your very own digital kingdom. Choose a theme and customize your store's appearance. Make it as unique as your fingerprint. Add product descriptions, prices, and high-quality images. Think of it as dressing up your products for a photo shoot. Set up payment and shipping options, because getting paid and delivering products is kind of important. Marketing your store. Use social media, Google Ads, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. It's like throwing a digital party and inviting everyone. Action steps. Create social media profiles for your store. It's your store's way of saying, "Hey world, look at me." Post regularly and engage with your audience. Think of it as chatting with friends, but about your awesome products. Run Google Ads targeting your potential customers. It's like putting up a billboard on the internet. Optimize your store's SEO to appear in search results. Because if they can't find you, they can't buy from you. How e-commerce and dropshipping can make you money. In e-commerce, you make money by selling products online. Simple, right? Dropshipping lets you sell products without upfront inventory costs. The supplier handles storage and shipping, so you can focus on the fun part, selling. Your profit comes from the difference between the wholesale and retail price. It's like buying in bulk and selling individually, but cooler. Successful marketing and a good product selection can lead to significant earnings. It's like hitting the jackpot, but with a lot more strategy. Dropshipping can be an excellent way to start without holding inventory. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Partner with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. It's teamwork at its finest. And now for the grand finale, let's dive into the wild world of blogging and vlogging. Imagine sharing your quirky cat stories or secret lasagna recipes online and getting paid for it. Blogging is like writing a digital diary, but with an audience that actually cares. Vlogging, on the other hand, is like being the star of your own reality show, minus the drama. Starting a blog first, pick a platform like WordPress or Blogger. It's like choosing your Hogwarts house, but for writing. Write about what makes you tick, whether it's knitting sweaters for dogs or reviewing the latest sci-fi novels. Action steps. Sign up for a blogging platform. It's easier than assembling IKEA furniture, I promise. Pick a catchy domain name and a reliable hosting service. Think of it as naming your pet dragon and finding it a cozy cave. Customize your blog's design, make it look snazzy, like a digital tuxedo. Write your first post and hit publish. It's like sending your thoughts into the universe. Monetizing your blog, use Google AdSense, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing to turn your words into gold. Action steps. Sign up for Google AdSense. It's like planting money trees on your blog. Reach out to brands for sponsored posts. Think of it as getting paid to talk about your favorite things. Include affiliate links in your posts. It's like getting a commission for recommending your favorite pizza place. Starting a vlog. Create a YouTube channel and start posting videos. It's like having your own TV show, but without the network executives. Invest in good equipment. Your viewers will thank you for not filming with a potato. Action steps. Create a YouTube account and start a channel. It's like opening a portal to your own universe. Get a good camera and microphone. Your future self will thank you when you're not cringing at your old videos. Plan and script your first video. Think of it as writing a blockbuster movie but with fewer explosions. Edit your video using software like Adobe Premiere or iMovie. It's like giving your video a makeover. Upload and optimize your video with a catchy title and description. It's like giving your video a snazzy outfit. Monetizing your vlog. Join the YouTube Partner Program, use affiliate links, and consider sponsorship deals. It's like turning your hobby into a money-making machine. Action steps. Apply to the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the requirements. It's like leveling up in a video game. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions. It's like getting a bonus for sharing your favorite gadgets. Approach brands for sponsorships as your channel grows. It's like getting paid to be yourself. How blogging and vlogging can make you money. Blogging and vlogging can generate income through multiple streams. It's like having a buffet of money-making options. Ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing can provide a steady income. It's like having a financial safety net. With a growing audience, you can also explore merchandising and premium content options. It's like opening your own online store. The key is to consistently produce valuable content that engages your viewers. Consistency is key here. Regularly post high-quality content to build and retain an audience. It's like feeding your digital pet. Keep it happy, and it'll thrive. Well, folks, you've just unlocked 5 golden tickets to the online money-making factory. Now, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive in. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If this video tickled your brain cells, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment on which method you're itching to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next adventure.